Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 2, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.86. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, but it currently stands at a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -4.53% change expected over the next 3 months. The projected return falls within the range of -10.64% and -1.10%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 33.53% change anticipated over the next year. The potential return lies between 26.29% and 58.38%. This implies a price range of $224.25 to $281.24 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple reveals a stronger technical forecast for its stock price after Thursday's trading. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, the Apple stock price increased by 2.07%, rising from $173.97 to $177.57. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the upward trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $175.46 and a high of $177.78, representing a 1.32% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 1.2% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded on the last day also increased, which is a positive technical sign. In total, there were 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 64 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $11.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 10.42%, equivalent to $20.65, below the 52-week high, and 22.21%, equivalent to $50.69, below the all-time high recorded on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, we'll be discussing analyst ratings for Apple, one of the most popular technology companies in the world. Let's start with the latest report from Barclays on Thursday, November 2, 2023. They gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Moving on to UBS, who also reported on Thursday, November 2, 2023. They gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Evercore ISI, another reputable firm, released their rating on the same day. They gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. And finally, we have Wedbush's rating on Thursday, November 2, 2023. They also gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Let's not forget the report from Needham on Tuesday, October 31, 2023. They gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's analyze the signals for Apple stock. The Apple stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is expected support at $171.26 and $174.60. If the stock breaks below these levels, it would issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 6.4% increase so far. This suggests that there could be further rise until a new top pivot is identified. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which could influence the short-term development of the stock. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a buy signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator produced a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 10 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average indicator gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator showed a sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signal insights. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Apple. Apple currently finds support from accumulated volume at $177.56. This is an important level to watch because it may present a buying opportunity. When support is being tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. It's worth noting that Apple is a stock that is typically traded at a good volume, meaning there is a healthy level of activity and interest from investors. Additionally, the stock tends to have minor daily changes, indicating a lower level of risk compared to more volatile stocks. Looking at the recent performance, in the last day, the stock moved $2.32, 1.32%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.63%. These figures give us an idea of the stock's recent price fluctuations. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's begin with some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio falls within the range of what is considered normal, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, Apple's upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 31, 2024. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $177.97. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be best to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple encounters a downward trend, its first support level can be found at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were performed by Condo Chris, who bought and sold a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -21.855. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,785,262 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $170.22, which represents a decrease of 4.14%. This particular stock has relatively low daily movements, which translates into lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered a hold or accumulate position, as we await further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, November 3rd, we anticipate Apple to open down $0.633 and start trading at $176.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view on the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know, what target have you set for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest insights. Our team at Stock Invest wishes you a day filled with successful trades and beautiful moments.